Hi, I'm Dave Brote with the Early Bird Sports Expo here in Bloomsburg. This is the 32nd year of the Expo. The Brote family has owned it for 13, and this is our final year. We've announced that it's the final year of the show. However, we're working with a person or two that possibly are interested in buying it. So we're all hoping that, and so is our vendors. We went around as a family the last 2 days saying goodbye and thank you to all our vendors. And everybody is hoping that the show will be able to go on. So we are working towards that, but we cannot confirm that at this moment. So hopefully in the next couple weeks that'll happen. But it's been a great show. It's just a neat time of the year. It's before Harrisburg, and it's local. So we get local people in here. We have vendors from both local and several states away. And
with a what? It's a napkin.
But they're coming, you know. We live along what they call the road.
All right, you got what you went.
It's been an awesome outdoor show for many years to many people, and we thank everybody that's attended and all our vendors.